Computer science videos here today for a tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an Instagram account from your computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So, go all the way to the dock, click on Safari, go to Google, type in Instagram, click on the first link that you see. And now we can either log in with Facebook, or we could start filling in the credentials, the names, the password, the username. For this video, I will be using my phone number, full name, username, password, but you won't be seeing that on screen, only the username. So I'll just type that in now. computer.science.videos, which is available, and the password. Click on next. They will be sending a code to my mobile phone, which I have received. Are you 18 years or older? Yes. Next. And there we have it. Click on home. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.